Hello everyone, it's me again. I'm Masъуд. I'm from Masъуд district. So, I'm here to share my opinion about one book. So, one book is the best book that I ever bought because I'm learning English for 5 months, and during this, experience, I made a big and the most, the best progress. So I want to give you advice to buy this book. And by the way, you can learn English with this book without learning grammars and memorizing new words. So if you really want to learn English, if you have a unique desire to learn English, you have to buy this book and start learning. So just right now, stand up, take your phone and order this book and start learning English. That's my opinion about one book, and I appreciate all the works which our teacher doing for us. So one book is the best book. So I give you advice to buy this book and learn English and speak fluently about different topics, whatever you want. So for 6 months. So good luck, guys, and take care.